Because he armed them all, and because of that, they got rich. And when they got rich, they were able to take control of their governments.
Oh God! What the
What? What? Did you
fuck? I
shoot?
got hit. No, I got hit. Fucking what the fuck is this game? I got hit again. What the fuck?
All right,
Oh, I'm dead. All right.
Oh, I'm getting shot at. There's two of them. Oh my God. There's
What?
three. What?
What is
Who is
game?
everybody shoot? There's like five. Oh my God! What is going on? We just spawned in. What is going on?
Right.
I'm just running away. I'm getting out of that fucking firefight. I think someone's to the right of me right now. What the fuck?
All right. Wow. Wow.
They were in the tree line, but there's like fucking five of them. There's at least two on the left side, and then there's a third guy on the right side, and then I think I heard somebody to the right of me at some point over there. What in the goddamn?